Okay, well, welcome back to part 2 of remote desktop. So what we want to do is enable the GUI remote desktop. So if we come over to local servers and remote desktop, click on disabled, and we want to allow this to occur. And what will come up next is our lovely here we go. So we can go in and select the users. Okay, my account is already there. You can add more users, but for now we'll just do the single user. So the user account that's already gained access is the one that turns it on. And if you've got other users or groups, you can add them in here. So if you wanted to add the administrators, alright, you can add them in to the selection. Alright, so I'll just use it as the single one just to confirm that everything runs. So that should have changed to enabled. There we go. Trying to make it bad for me. Alright, so basically that's the GUI there, the three there. Just make sure it goes from disabled to enabled. That's all you need to do for setting up a single connection, enabling connection. Now you step out to your host and just down here in the run that command, and we want to type in mstsc, and we get the remote desktop connection icon coming up, and you type in the host name or the IP address. Now I can't remember it, so we'll just look it up in the details here, and it's 192.168.139.128. Connect. Now I'm getting asked for credentials, so it should deny me because Mark Lancaster doesn't have an account. Alright, so use a different account. Take Cisco and do you really want to look at it? Yes. And Here is my remote session firing up. Exactly the same as what I had on that little VM screen, just that this remote session takes up the full screen, and I now can access my server using a GUI with the remote desktop connection. Okay, that completes the second stage of the remote desktop, and as you can see, it's not that complex to add remote desktop functionality into your server. You just got to add your users and that in your remote desktop settings if you want to add more users. So under remote desktop, under enabled, so you can go through, if you've got more user accounts, you can go through and select the users that you want to have enabled to be able to connect. But as we only have 2 accounts set up on this at the moment, no point in trying to do that. So to disconnect, you just close out. Okay, you can pin, unpin, shows you the connection strength, shows you the address or the name of the device you're connected to. And just to disconnect, you can disconnect the session, but the server is still going to be running. There it is there, and you just log in and it's all there exactly like it was left. Alright, that completes our remote desktop session. The first part was getting long, and I just wanted to make this one a short video rather than having it too long in the first one, and it sort of like separates the SSH and the remote desktop sections into 2 separate videos. So I'll catch you in the next one, and as you can see, this isn't rocket science. Just follow the steps and you can get it all done quickly and easily. Alright, bye for now.